Hello everyone and welcome. I already own a couple of Craftsman corded electric jigsaws that I've had for many years. But being the tool guy that I am, I wanted for the longest time to get my hands on a cordless jigsaw to do a review. Well, today I make that happen. I just got my hands on this 20V cordless jigsaw from Vevor, and today we're going to do a review on this bad boy and see if it's any good. I decided to get this cordless jigsaw from Vevor instead of getting one from Harbor Freight because this one has better features than the Bauer or Hercules from Harbor Freight. This Vevor jigsaw also brings more accessories and costs a whole heck of a lot less than those other two from Harbor Freight. So if you've been looking for a powerful and affordable cordless jigsaw but didn't know which one to get, stick around as I unbox and test this guy. Alright guys, so when you unbox this puppy, this is everything you get. So let's talk about some of the features that this guy has, but before we get started testing this guy, do me a big favor and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Anyway, so let's move on and talk about this 20V cordless jigsaw from Vevor, available on Amazon, link in description below. At the time of making this video, this kit retails for $50.06. Can't beat that number. Anyway, so the warranty on this guy is 1 year, and the dimensions on this guy are 9 inches by about 8 inches by about 3 inches in thickness, and it only weighs about 5 pounds. Very lightweight, easy to maneuver. So what do you get included in this kit? Well, you get the jigsaw itself, you get a battery and charger, a Makita compatible battery and charger, you get a straight edge rule here, a dust collection port, the owner's manual, and 6 different blades included in this kit. So you're off and running right from when you open this box. No need to go out and get anything else. So this is a 7/8 inch 20V cordless jigsaw that uses Makita compatible batteries and chargers. This means that you never have to worry about finding replacement batteries or chargers. If you're like me, you probably already have a bunch of Makita batteries and chargers on hand, so you're good to go. This jigsaw is powered by a 20V brushless motor, making it more efficient and durable than a brushed motor. This jigsaw has 6 speeds to choose from and can produce a maximum of 3,500 SPMs or strokes per minute. This unit also has 4 orbital settings, making it easy to adjust between different types of materials and different types of cuts. This guy also has a tool-less blade change, making it quick and easy to change the blades. This saw has an LED light to light up your work area, and it also has a trigger lock to reduce fatigue from holding down the trigger manually. This saw can make cuts at any angle between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. Now the reason I chose this saw over the Harbor Freight Bauer or Hercules is because this was a much better value all around. The Harbor Freight Bauer uses a brushed motor, which is less efficient and only produces 2,400 SPMs maximum. The Bauer also costs almost the same as this one, but it's sold as a tool only, so no batteries, charger, or blades are included in that package. Aside from that, it uses the Bauer proprietary battery and charger, so I would be stuck going back to Harbor Freight every time I needed a new battery and charger. It also only comes with 90 days warranty, which is shorter than Vevor. The Hercules Jigsaw, on the other hand, is a very similar story. It costs almost double what this guy costs and is sold as a tool only. So I would have to buy the Hercules proprietary battery and charger separately and pay more to get started with that kit. That makes that deal way more expensive than this one. Aside from that, it doesn't bring any blades or accessories included in that set, and it also is limited to only 3,000 SPMs, which is much less than the Vevor saw. So all in all, this Vevor saw brought more accessories, has more a powerful motor, and uses an ubiquitous Makita battery and charger, which I already own a bunch of those. So for me, this was a much smarter choice. So let's take a little closer look at this guy, and then we'll set it up and do some testing, see how this guy performs. Alright guys, so let's take a look at this Vevor Jigsaw, your standard design jigsaw, because this is the same design that jigsaws have had for ages. That's the same design that's been around since as far back as I can remember. There are some new ones now that have like a barrel design, a tubular design, and I may take a look at something like that in the future, but today we're focusing on your typical standard jigsaw. And this guy from Vevor has a lot of convenient little features to it. There you have your orbital setting right there where you can select 4 different settings, 0, 1, 2, and 3, and you can select it depending on the type of cut and material that you're going to be using. Your trigger is right here, and your trigger lock is right there. That way, you don't have to hold the trigger the whole time. It'll hold it for you, so that way you don't get fatigued. And you just press and release, and you're done. This guy has a rubber overmold up here and on the bottom there to protect your hand from, getting scrapes and, beat up and worn out and stuff like that. Up here you have your speed selector, and you have anywhere from 1 to 6. You have 6 different speeds. You can select which one you want from 1 all the way to 6, so that's totally up to you. And on the bottom here, this has, obviously you have your shoe or foot right there, and this guy comes with a plastic protector. You can take it off if you like. Let me take this guy off and show you. You have your metal shoe. But if you don't want to take a chance on scraping something, because sometimes these metal shoes will scrape something, and sometimes people will put tape or something on it, well, you don't need to, because this guy comes with a plastic cover to prevent damaging anything that you're working on. So you just slip that guy on there, and you have a nice smooth plastic ABS cover, which will do less damage, if anything at all, compared to the metal one. And if you want to put tape on top of this one, you can do so as well. And there you have your toolless design for replacing the blades on it. Just like your typical every other tool, you move it to one side, put the blade in, let go, it'll do it all by itself. And these little guys right here are for inserting this edge guard. And that guy is for getting nice straight edges. You slip it into there and you're good to go. The battery goes back here, your typical Makita battery. This guy comes with a 2 amp hour battery, and there is on the side is where it shows you the charge. Nothing on that side, only on one side, it shows you the charge right there. So your 2 amp hour battery, typical Makita battery, is included. And this guy, let me show you real quick, has your soft start. See, from when I press the button, it takes a second or two to start. It doesn't just start right away like some of the older designs would do. So that gives you a little bit of time. For whatever reason, it gives you a nice soft start. So there you have all that stuff. There is the other side of this guy, so you can see what it looks like. There's the front of it, and there's a little light down in here. I don't know if you can see it right there, right where my finger is. There is a little LED light right there to light up your work area, and a nice cover on here to minimize the amount of dust that it kicks up. And it does have a dust collection port, this little guy right here, that you insert it back here, slips right in there. You see how it just slips right into the back and snaps into place. There you go. Snap it into place right there. Attach a vacuum there, and you can suck up anything you want because it goes right to the front. So you can attach a vacuum on there, and you just unsnap it to take it out. Very easy to do. And you can hook that up with a vacuum, and that way you minimize the amount of dust in your work area. So not a bad little machine. We're going to test it out, cutting some wood and stuff like that right now. Oh, by the way, and you have your tool back here, your little Allen key. It stores right on the shoe or the foot. It stores right on there, so you can take this off if you need to. So that's pretty convenient right there. A nice little storage place right there, so you don't have to go hunting around for it. You can switch it out anytime you like. So there you go. That is the Vevor Jigsaw, which, like I said, a lot better features than either the Bauer or the Hercules. So let's test this guy out and see how it performs. Alright guys, there you have it, a review and demonstration of a powerful and affordable 20-volt battery-powered jigsaw. A really great deal at a very affordable price. Brings you everything you need to get started, including the batteries, charger, and the blades. A much better deal than anything Harbor Freight has to offer with a longer warranty. Even though some other channels have criticized Vevor for a long time, one channel in particular calling Vevor a ghost company, I've always found Vevor to have better tools at a better value when compared to Harbor Freight. Now that Vevor is starting to open physical stores, I think they'll give Harbor Freight a real run for the money. So if you've been looking for an affordable and powerful 20-volt jigsaw, this is one you should look into. Check out the link below for all the information. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.